Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to create this really easy rose quartz look using gel polish and white alcohol ink. Let's get started. Begin by applying 2 coats of a light pink milky gel polish base. Here I'm using Milkshake from Seaweed Gel, and make sure to cure for 60 seconds in your LED lamp in between each coat. Next, I'm going in with 1 coat of Tea Party from Seaweed Gel to add a bit more pink to this look. The color on its own is a little bit too sheer, which is why I chose to use Milkshake as the base, then go in with 1 coat of Tea Party over top. After this coat, I cured in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. Here is the white alcohol ink that I'm using. I did purchase this off AliExpress by the brand Nicole Diary. It was really inexpensive, and I will make sure to have all these products that I'm using listed down below. So as you can see, I've sort of gone in and started applying it in no particular order. There is no right or wrong way to do this, just sort of go with the flow in the way that your creative heart desires. This product is really great because you can sort of work with it afterwards and move it around by using a nail polish brush dipped into acetone to sort of dilute any areas that you desire. Again, there is no right or wrong way to do this, as every nail you do is going to look different. Of course, here I'm just demonstrating it on a practice nail just to show you guys, but when you do a full set on your own hands, it's going to look different on every nail, which is really pretty because rose quartz is sort of imperfectly perfect, so take it as you will. As you can see, I've been basically going back and forth by adding and diluting until I'm happy. In order to give this look a more realistic rose quartz feel, I'm applying 1 thin coat of Tea Party over top the completed white inked base and curing for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. You're more than welcome to stop here, but if you're like me and you want to amp it up a little bit more, I'm going in with a little bit more of the white ink to add further dimension. Rose quartz has a lot of crisscross white lines, and when you look at the stone, there's a lot of dimension through, so I really wanted to try and mimic that as best as I can by adding a little bit more of the white ink and diluting as I go. Again, just one of those things that I don't know, just do it until you're happy. Here I'm using a different brush to sort of dilute the areas. This is an Ombre Brush from Magic Gel System, and it works really well for the look I'm trying to achieve here. Lastly, I'm sealing in my design with Seaweed Gel, no white top coat, and curing in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So here we have the final and completed rose quartz look, and really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It feels really good to be back into the YouTube swing of things. It's definitely been a while, and going to do my best to create more looks for you guys in the near future. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I really hope to see you next time. Until then, remember, creativity is at your fingertips. I'll see you next time. Bye!